Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Ready to take your productivity in Notion to the next level? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through how to embed a Pomodoro timer widget directly into any Notion page. By the end of this video, you'll have a seamless way to manage your work sessions and breaks without ever leaving Notion. This is perfect if you want to stay focused and organized, using the power of the Pomodoro technique right alongside your notes, to-do lists, or projects. Let's dive right into it. First up, we need to grab the timer itself. Head over to your browser and go to pomofocus.io. This website provides a clean, easy-to-use Pomodoro timer. It's simple, reliable, and a favorite among productivity enthusiasts. If you're new to the Pomodoro technique, this method involves working in short, focused bursts with regular breaks, just like setting intervals at the gym to avoid burning out as you tackle your tasks. Once you're on pomofocus.io, take a second to check out the timer and make sure it looks right for you. Then all you have to do is copy the website URL from the address bar. Just highlight the full link at the top of your browser, right-click, and select Copy. Alternatively, you can use Ctrl+C or Command+C, depending on your computer. Pretty straightforward, but don't rush. Double-check that you have the exact link before moving on. Next, let's bring this into Notion. Open Notion and go to the page where you'd like your Pomodoro timer to live. Maybe it's your daily dashboard, your project planning page, or even a dedicated study space. Wherever you want easy access to that timer. With your page open, click where you want the timer to appear, then simply paste the URL you just copied. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut. When you paste the link, Notion will instantly recognize that it's a website and offer to embed it. You'll see an option pop up that says Embed. Click Embed, and Notion will take care of the rest. This step can take a few moments, especially if your internet connection is sluggish, so don't worry if you see a spinning wheel for a bit. Once the embedding process is complete, your Pomodoro timer will show up right on your Notion page, fully interactive. You can use it exactly like you would on pomofocus.io, but now it's in the same place you keep your tasks and notes. It's almost like sticking a timer to your physical notebook, always available when you look at your plans. If something doesn't look right, maybe the widget isn't loading or the button doesn't appear, double-check that you copied the correct URL. Sometimes Notion can be picky about formatting. If needed, repeat the copy-paste process or refresh your Notion page. And that's it. You now have a fully functional Pomodoro timer right inside Notion, making it easier to structure your work sessions and breaks. Little touches like this really transform Notion into a personal productivity powerhouse. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have questions, run into any issues, or want to share how you use Notion and Pomodoro together. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical Notion tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy focusing.